Please tell me, why is everyone saying this is correct? And why is it going viral? Because in simple terms, if you add 1 to something, it should get bigger, right? So if you take any number, say 5, and add 1 to it, you get 6. That's not the same as the number you started with, which was 5. Similarly, if you take any number and add 1, it's impossible to still have that same number. So logically, the equation doesn't make sense. This is why x plus 1 equals x seems wrong from the start. However, this equation has gone viral because people are trying to show a clever trick. They manipulate it in a way that, at first glance, makes it seem correct. The trick starts by squaring both sides of the equation. When you square both sides of this equation, we get x plus 1 whole square equals x square. Now x plus 1 whole square equals x square plus 2x plus 1, and this equals x square. So the x squares get cancelled out, and we are left with this. 2x plus 1 equals 0. Take 1 on the right-hand side to get 2x equals minus 1, and then divide both sides by 2 to get x equals minus half or minus 0.5. But that does not satisfy the original equation. Minus 0.5 plus 1 equals 0.5 and not minus half. So, can you guess what went wrong here? Here is the key issue. Squaring both sides isn't a valid step when solving the original equation. This is where the real mistake happens. When you square both sides of an equation, you change the nature of the problem. This is because both positive and negative numbers, when squared, give positive results. For example, the square of 2 is 4, but the square of minus 2 is also 4. But we can't say that 2 equals minus 2. That's the real trick here. In conclusion, x plus 1 equals x is incorrect for any real number. So bad!